Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. The next topic is nth term of an AP, arithmetic progression. The nth term of an AP with the first term as A and the common difference B is given as. Now the formula given here is Tn is equal to A plus inside the bracket n minus 1 into D. Now let us see how to solve practice set 3.2. First question is write the correct number in the given boxes from the following AP. Now the first AP is 1, 8, 15, 22. Here A is equal to 1. It is also known as T1, first term, which is equal to 1. T2 is the second term, 8. T3 is the third term, means 15. Write down here. Now T2 minus T1. Substituting the values here. T2 8 minus 1, we get 7. Now T3 minus T2. Substituting the values 15 minus 8, we get here 7. Therefore the common difference D is equal to 7. Now look at the second AP. 3, 6, 9, 12. Here T1 first term is 3. T2 second term 6. T3 third term 9. T4 12 and so on. Write down here the value of T2 minus T1. Now the value of T2 is 6. 6 minus 3, we get 3. T3 minus T2. Value of T3 9 minus 6, we get 3. Therefore common difference D is equal to 3 here. Now look at the third question. Minus 3, minus 8, minus 13 and minus 18. Here T1 is equal to minus 3. T2 second term is minus 8. T3 third term is minus 13 and T4 fourth term is minus 18 and so on. Now fill the box here. T2 minus T1. Now the value of T2 is minus 8. Let us do rough work. Minus 8 minus T1. T1 is minus 3. Solid. Minus 8 minus into minus plus 3. We get here minus 5. Take the sign of the greater number. Minus 5. Now the second is T3 minus T2. Now the value of T3 is minus 13 minus T2 minus 8. Solid. Minus 13 minus into minus plus 8. 13 minus 8, we get 5 and take the sign of the greater one. Value is minus 5. Therefore A is equal to, A is the first term. Now the first term here is minus 3 and the value of D, common difference, is minus 5. Now look at the next question. 70, 60, 50, 40. Now here T1 first term is 70, T2 second term is 60 and T3 third term is 50 and so on. Now A is first term, which is equal to 70. Write down here. And D is common difference. We get the common difference as T2 minus T1, means 60 minus 70 minus 10. T3 minus T2, again we get minus 10. And T4 minus T3, again we get minus 10. Therefore D is equal to minus 10. Now look at next question. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 28th term of the progression. Now here sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9 and so on. Write down the solution here. First term means a is equal to t1 is equal to minus 12. Second term t2 is equal to minus 5. t3 is equal to 2. t4 is equal to 9 and so on. Now find out the difference. t2 minus t1 which is equal to t2. t2 means minus 5 minus t1. t1 is minus 12. Solve it, we get minus 5, negative into negative, positive 12. Now minus 5 plus 12, we get 7. Now the next difference is t3 minus t2. t3 2 minus t2 is minus 5. Solve it, 2, negative into negative, positive 5 which is equal to 7. Now the next one is difference t4 minus t3. t4 is 9 minus t3 is 2. We get here 7. Now the next t5 minus t4. Now the t5 is 16 minus t4 is 9 which is equal to 7. Now look at the difference here. All the difference are constant. Therefore common difference, the value of d is equal to 7 here. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP. Now, read the question. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. Therefore, by using formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula. Now substituting all the values, our aim is to find 20th term. Therefore n is equal to 20. We get t20 is equal to a. A means first term which is equal to minus 12 plus n minus 1, 20 minus 1 into d. Now the value of d is 7. Solve it. Minus 12 plus 20 minus 1, we get 19 into 7. Therefore minus 12 plus 19 into 7, we get 133. Now minus 12 plus 133, we get 121. It is the value of t20. Therefore, write down the answer. The given sequence is an AP. And the 20th term of the AP is 121. Next question is find the 24th term of the AP 12, 16, 20 and 24. Now write down the solution here. Given terms is an AP. Therefore, A is equal to T1 is equal to 12, T2 is equal to 16, T3 is equal to 20, T4 is equal to 24 and so on. Now find out the common difference D, which is equal to T2 minus T1. Now value of T2 is 16 minus T1 is 12, which is equal to 4. By using formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula. Now our aim is to find 24th term. Therefore n is equal to 24. Substituting all the values, T24 is equal to A. Now the first term is 12 plus 24 minus 1 into D. Now the value of D is 4. Solve it. 12 plus 23 into 4. Now 12 plus 4 3s are 12, 2 carry 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 92. Now adding these two numbers we get 104. Therefore the value of T24 is equal to 104. Write down the answer here. The 24th term of an AP is 104. Now the next question is find the 19th term of the following AP. Now the AP given here is 7, 13, 19 and 25. Write down the solution here. A is equal to T1 is equal to 7. T2 second term is 13. T3 third term is 19. T4 fourth term is 25 and so on. Now find out the common difference. D is equal to T2 minus T1. Now the T2 is 13 minus 7 which is equal to 6. Therefore the value of D is equal to 6. Now by using formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula. Now our aim is to find 19th term. Therefore n is equal to 19. Substituting all the values we get here T19 is equal to A. First term 7 plus 19 minus 1 into D. Now the value of D is 6. 7 plus 18 into 6. 7 plus 18 6 are 108 which is equal to 115. Now it is the value of T19. T19 is equal to 115. Therefore write down the answer. The 19th term of an AP is 150. Now read next question. Find the 27th term of the following AP. Write down the solution. Now here first term is 9. Therefore A is equal to T1 is equal to 9. Second term T2 is equal to 4. Third term T3 is equal to minus 1. Fourth term T4 is equal to minus 6 and so on. Now find out the common difference D which is equal to T2 minus T1. Now the value of T2 is 4 minus 9. We get here minus 5. Now apply the formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. It is the formula. Now our aim is to find 27 term. Therefore the n is equal to 27. Now substituting all the values we get T27 is equal to A. A means 9 plus 27 minus 1 into D. D means minus 5. 9 plus 26 into minus 5. Therefore we get 9. Positive into negative we get minus. 5 6 are 30, 0, 3, 5, 2 and 13. Therefore 9 minus 130 we get minus 121. Therefore T27 is equal to minus 121. Write down the answer. The 27th term of an AP is minus 121. 1. Now the next question is, how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? Now write down the solution here. 3-digit natural numbers are 3-digit natural numbers are. Now the smaller 3-digit natural number is 100, 101, 102, and the greater 3-digit natural number is 999. Now, and 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Now from the sequence, natural numbers divisible by 5 are now 100. Next is, it is not divisible. 103 is also not divisible. 104. Now the next one is 105. Next number is 110. 999, it is not divisible by 5. Now before this, 998, 997, 996, and next one is 995. It is divisible by 5. Now this is an AP. Write down here. This is an AP with first term. Now the first term here is 100. A is equal to 100, and the common difference means 105 minus 100 and 110 minus 105, we get 5. It is divisible by 5. Therefore, the value of D common difference is 5. And look at the sequence here. The last term is 995. Therefore, it is the value of Tn. Tn is equal to 995. Now, read the question. How many 3-digit numbers? Means our aim is to find the value of n. Now, by using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula. Write down here. Now substituting all the values we get. Now the value of Tn is 995 is equal to A. A is the first term. 100 plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is 5. Now shifting 100 to left hand side, we get 995 minus 100 is equal to, it can be written as 5 into n minus 1. Now 995 minus 100, we get 895 is equal to 5 into n minus 1. Now it can be written as 5 into n minus 1 is equal to 895. Now here look at this. 5 is written at left hand side with multiplication. Therefore, dividing by 5, we get n minus 1 is equal to 895 upon 5. Now 5 cancel it. 5 ones are 5. Next 5 sevens are 35 and 5 nines are 45. Therefore, we get the value of n minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, n is equal to minus 1. Shifting to the right hand side, we get 179 plus 1. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 180. Write down the answer. Therefore, there are 180 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Now the next question is, the 11th term and the 21st term of an AP are 16 and 29 respectively. Find the 41st term of this AP. Write down the solution here. Now the value of 11th term is 16. Write down here. T11 is equal to 16. 21st term means T21 is equal to 29. Find the 41st term, T41. Our aim is to find the value of T41. Let A be the first term and D is common difference. Now by using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula. Now first T11 is given. Now n is equal to 11. Substituting the value, we get T11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Means 11 minus 1 into D. Now the value of T11 is 16. 16 is equal to A plus 10D. Now it can be written as A plus 10D is equal to 16. Give it equation number 1. Now the second value is T21. Now in the given formula, n is equal to 21. Write down here. T21 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Now the value of T21 is 29. Substituting it, A plus 20D. It can be written as A plus 20D is equal to 29. Give it equation number 2. Now look at the equation 1 and equation 2 carefully. It is in the form of variable A and D. Therefore it is a simultaneous equation. Simply solve it and find out the answers of value of A and D. Now here the coefficient of A are same. Therefore we can easily eliminate it by subtracting. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Now A plus 20D is equal to 29. A plus 10D is equal to 16. Now subtract it. All the signs are changed here. Minus, minus and minus. Plus A, minus A both are cancelled. 20D minus 10D, we get 10D is equal to 29 minus 16. We get here 13. Therefore, the value of D is equal to 13 upon 10. Now, substituting D is equal to 13 upon 10 in equation 1. Now the equation 1 is A plus 10 into D, means 13 upon 10 is equal to 16. 10 and 10 both are cancelled. We get here A plus 13 is equal to 16. Now A is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore the value of A is equal to 3. Now we get here the value of A as well as the value of D. Our aim is to find the value of T41. Now in the given formula, substituting all the values here, we get T41 is equal to A. The value of A 3 plus n minus 1 41 minus 1 into D 13 upon 10. Now solve it. T41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 13 upon 10. Now 0 0 cancel. We get here T41 is equal to 3 plus 13 4s are 52. Therefore T41 is equal to 55. Write down the answer here. The 41st term of NAP is 55. Now the next question is, which term of the AP 11852 is minus 151? Now write down the solution here. AP is given, means it is the first term. Write down here. A is equal to T1 is equal to 11. Second term 8. Third term 5. Fourth term is 2. And the value of D is equal to T2 minus T1. It is an AP. Therefore 8 minus 11, we get here minus 3. Now which term of the AP is minus 151. Therefore let it is the value of Tn. Therefore Tn is equal to 1 minus 151. Our aim is to find the value of n. Now by using formula, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into T. Now substituting all the values here, we get the value of Tn minus 151 is equal to A. A means 11 plus n minus 1 into D. The value of D, which is equal to minus 3. Solve it. Now 11 is shifting to the left hand side. We get minus 151 minus 11 is equal to, it can be written as minus 3 into n minus 1. Now minus 151 minus 11, both are negative, therefore simply add it. 1 plus 1 2, 6 and 1, 162 with negative sign is equal to minus 3 into n minus 1. It can be written as minus 3 into n minus 1 is equal to minus 162. Look at carefully. At left hand side minus 3 is written with multiplication. Therefore dividing both sides by minus 3, we get n minus 1 is equal to minus 162 upon minus 3. Now here minus minus both are cancelled and the answer here is 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, remaining one is 12, therefore 3 4s are, therefore n minus 1 is equal to 54. Now minus 1 shifting to the right hand side, we get n is equal to 54 plus 1. Therefore the value of n is equal to 55. Write down the answer. Therefore the 55th term of the given AP is minus 151. Now the next question is, how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? Now write down the solution here. The natural numbers, first write down the natural numbers from 10 to 250 are. Natural numbers 10, next natural number is 11, 12, and the last one is 250. Now the numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4 are. Now from the natural numbers from 10 to 250, 10 is not divisible by 4, 11 is also not divisible by 4, now the next one is 12, it is divisible by 4, therefore write down here 12. Now the next natural number divisible by 4 is 16, next one is 20, 24, and now the last number is 250. It is not divisible by 4. Now before this 249, it is also not divisible by 4. Now before this 248, it is divisible by 4. Therefore we can write here 248. Now this is an AP. With first term. Now in this sequence first term is 12, therefore A is equal to 12 and it is divisible by 4, therefore the common difference between two consecutive terms 4 here, therefore we can write the value of D is equal to 4 and let. Now in this sequence the last term is 248, therefore it can be written as T of n. Therefore T of n is equal to 248. Our aim is to find how many natural numbers, means the value of n. Our aim is to find the value of n here. Now write down the formula here. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now substituting all the values we get Tn. Now the value of Tn, last term is 248 is equal to A. A means 12 plus n minus 1 into T. D means 4. Now solve it. 12 is shifting to the left hand side, we get 248 minus 12 is equal to, it can be written as 4 into n minus 1. Now 248 minus 12. 8 minus 2, 6, 4 minus 1, 3. 236 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. Now it can be written as 4 into n minus 1 is equal to 236. Dividing both the sides by 4, we get n minus 1 is equal to 236 upon 4. Now n minus 1 is equal to, cancel it, 4 ones are 4 5s are 20. Now remaining is 3. 3 6. 4 9s are 36. Therefore we get the value 59. Now minus 1 shifting to the right hand side, we get n is equal to 59 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 60. Now write down the answer. Therefore there are 60 terms. There are 60 natural numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4 in an AP. Next question is, the 17th term of an AP is 7 more than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Let us consider. Let the first term of an AP be A, and the common difference is B. Now, by using formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 17th term, therefore substituting n is equal to 17, we get T17 is equal to A plus 17 minus 1 into D. Now T17 is equal to A plus 16D. Give it equation number 1. And next 10th term, n is equal to 10. Substituting in the given formula, we get T10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Therefore T10 is equal to A plus 9D. Give it equation number 2. Now the 17th term of an AP. Now from the given condition, the 17th term, now we get the 17th term as A plus 16D. 7 more than the 10th term, therefore it is equal to A plus 9D plus 7. Now at left hand side A are cancelled. Now we get here 16D. Now 9D shifting to the left hand side, minus 9D is equal to 7. Now 16D minus 9D, we get 7D is equal to 7. Now dividing both the sides by 7, we get D is equal to 7 upon 7. Therefore the value of D is equal to 1. It is the common difference. Now write down the answer. Therefore the common difference of an AP is 1. Allah Hafiz.